Hi everyone, welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Supta Baddah Konasana. This is more of an active variation, so we touch on a bit of a back bend. We're going to use a brick, and you can see I have my brick on the second elevation lengthwise. You may also want to have a blanket handy. We're going to take the head down, and you may want to support underneath the head with a blanket if you feel like there's any compression in the neck. I'm going to show with just the brick. So you come to sit in front of your brick, and then with bent knees, you guide your spine down. You can come onto the forearms and bring the brick so that it's touching the thoracic spine, so the upper part of your spine. You'll feel the brick start to come between the shoulder blades. Then take the soles of the feet together and allow the inner groins to lengthen to the inner knees and the knees to descend down towards the floor. Then you can take the head down. Now at this point, this is where you may find, okay, I need some support underneath the head because I'm not getting the length of the neck. Then I'd like you to take your arms up, fingers pointing towards the ceiling. You can cross at the forearms, hold onto the elbows, and then take the arms overhead. So you'll start to feel how the brick is moving the spine into the body, which in turn affects the front body. So the sternum starts to lift up towards the ceiling. You allow the shoulder blades to wrap and release around the brick. And then you can be here for up to 5 minutes. Do change the cross of your forearms. And also continue to lengthen the lower part of your spine. So you can lift your pelvis up, lengthen the tailbone towards the heels, and release it. And then to come out, release your hands down to the sides of the hips. You can bring your knees in towards one another. Press into your forearms, come up halfway, and then take your hands back, and then use the strength of your arms, leading with the chest to come up. Okay, let us know if you have any questions, and we'll leave some contraindications in the notes section below in the video, and we wish you happy practicing. Namaste.